Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Social Science online teaching classes from Vishwamanava Residential High School. Dear students, in today's class, let us study about the geography part of the sixth lesson, that is Indian water resources. The Indian water resources in this lesson we are going to discuss the 1 marks question answers, 2 marks question answers and 3 marks question answers in this lesson. Okay. Let's start. The first part, answer the following questions in one sentence each. The first question, which is the birthplace of river Indus? Answer, Mount Kailash is the birthplace of river Indus. Then second point, which is the longest river in South India? Answer, Godavari is the longest river in South India. Then third question, across which river the Hirakud project is built? Across which river the Hirakud project is built? Answer, Mahanadi. Then fourth question, which is the longest river in the tributaries of Ganga? Answer, Yamuna. Then fifth question, which river are also known as the rivers of Himalayas? Answer, the rivers of North India. Then sixth question, which is the birthplace of river? Answer, Gangotri Glaciers is the birthplace of river. Then seventh question, which is the largest river in India? Answer, the Ganga river is the largest river in India. Then eighth question, by which name does the Ganga after it's joined the Brahmaputra? Answer, Padma river. Then ninth question, which is the birthplace of river Brahmaputra? Answer, near Lake Manasa Sarovar is the birthplace of river Brahmaputra. The next question, very important, by which state does the river Brahmaputra enter India? Answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Does the river Brahmaputra enter India? Then 11th question, which is the birthplace of river Mahanadi? Answer, Shivaha range is the birthplace of river Mahanadi. Then 12th question, which is the birthplace of river Godavari? Answer, Triambaka is the birthplace of river Godavari. Then 13th question, which is the birthplace of river Kaveri rise? All of you know that the answer, Talakaveri is the birthplace of river Kaveri rise. Then 14th question, which is the birthplace of river Krishna? Answer, Mahabaleshwar is the birthplace of river Krishna. Then next question, which is the largest river in South India? Very important in your examination point of view. The largest river of South India is the Godavari river. Then next question, which is the birthplace of river Narmada? Answer, Amarakantak. Amarakantak is the birthplace of river Narmada. Then next question, which is the birthplace of river Tapi? Mutlai, it is the birthplace of river Tapi. Then which are the important west flowing rivers of South India? The west flowing rivers of South India, answer, the river Narmada and the river Tapi. Then next question, what is irrigation? Irrigation means the artificial supply of water for the purpose of agriculture is called as irrigation. Then what is inundation canal? Answer, the inundation canals means water is drawn directly from the river without building dams, that is called as an inundation canal. Then next question, what is perennial canal? Answer, dams are constructed across the rivers and water is stored in the receivers and used for agriculture through canals. So this is called as a perennial canals. Then next question, which is India first multi-purpose river valley project? Answer, Damodar river valley project. Then next question, which river valley project of India is designed by Lines of Tennant Valley Authority? First you can observe the question, which river valley project of India is designed by Lines of Tennant Valley Authority? Answer, Damodar river valley project. Then next question, which river was called Sarrow of Bengal? Answer, Damodar river. Then why river Damodar was called Sarrow of Bengal? Answer, Damodar river is called Sorrow of River of Bengal because it was causing devastating floods during the rainy seasons and fully damaged crops and human settlements. Then next question, which is the highest gravity dam in India? Answer, Bhakra Dam is the highest gravity dam in India. Then what is the name of the receiver of Bhakra Dam? What is the name of the receiver of the Bhakra Dam? Answer, Gobind Sagar. Then next question, which is the longest dam in India? Answer, Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. Then next question, where is Tungabhadra Dam located? Answer, the Tungabhadra Dam located in Mallapuram, Hospet Taluk in Ballari district. The next question, what is the name of receiver of the Tungabhadra Dam? Answer, Pampa. The Pampa is the receiver of Tungabhadra Dam. Then what is the largest river valley project in Karnataka? Which is the largest river valley project in Karnataka? Answer, Upper Krishna project. Upper Krishna project is the largest river valley project in Karnataka. Next question, where is Narayanapura Dam located? Answer, Siddhapura village in Muddebihal Taluk, Vijaypura district. Narayanapura Dam located. The next question, where is Almaty Dam located? Answer, Almaty Dam located in Basavana Bhagyawadi Taluk, Vijaypura district. Then the next question, name an international project and joint venture of India and Nepal. Name an international project and a joint venture of India and Nepal. Answer, Kosi project. Kosi project is the international project and joint venture of India and Nepal. Very important. Then next question, where is Kosi project dam located? Answer, Hanuman city of Nepal. Hanuman city of Nepal, Kosi project dam was located. Then next question, across which river the Rihand project is built? Answer, Rihand river. The Rihand project is built. Then the next question, name the receiver created by the Rihand project. Name the receiver created by the Rihand project. Answer, Gobind Balpa Pant Sagar. Gobind Balpa Pant Sagar receiver created by the Rihand project. Understand? Then next question, across which river the Nagarjuna Sagar project built? Answer, Krishna river. Then next question, where is Nagarjuna Sagar project is located? Answer, Telangana state. Telangana state, the Nagarjuna Sagar project is located. So, dear students, these are the 1 marks question and answers in the lesson Indian Water Resources. Now, let's move on. The 3 marks question and answers. 2 are 3 marks. 2 marks are 3 marks question and answers. We are going to discuss them. The second main, answer the following questions in 3 or 4 sentences each. The first question, explain the Brahmaputra river system. Explain the Brahmaputra river system. First point, in the Brahmaputra river system, the Brahmaputra rises near Lake Manasa Sarovar and flows towards the east. The Brahmaputra rises near Lake Manasa Sarovar and flows towards the east. Then second point, it enters India through a narrow gorge in Arunachal Pradesh. Then third point, the Brahmaputra river system, it flows to the west and turns to south in Bangladesh, where it joins the Ganga. Then its length is 2580 kilometers square. So this is about the Brahmaputra river system. Then the second question, mention the major types of irrigation of India. Mention the major types of irrigation of India. Answer, there are major irrigation types of India. One is well irrigation, second one is tank irrigation, and fourth one is canal irrigation. So these are the three most important types of irrigation in India. Then next question, why is irrigation important in India? Why is irrigation important in India? Answer, because our country, India, is an agriculture country. Therefore, it needs a regular and sufficient supply of water. Then, agriculture in India depends mainly on monsoon winds. Then, it is a seasonal, uncertain, and unevenly distributed. There are certain crops which are require a larger and regular water supply. Then last point, beside to increase the yield and production of crops require regular supply of water. So these are the importance of irrigation in India. The next question, what is multi-purpose river valley project, and mention the objectives of a multi-purpose river valley project. Answer, multi-purpose river valley project means the river valley project which provide multiple benefits. It provide multiple benefits, so it is called as a multi-purpose river valley project. What are the main objectives of this project? There are, one is to provide water for irrigation, then to control the floods, then to generate hydroelectricity, then to prevent soil erosion, then to develop island waterways and fishing, then to provide recreation facilities, then to provide water for domestic purpose and industries, and last point, to reclaim land for agriculture. So this is about the objectives of a multi-purpose river valley project. Then fifth question, write a note on Almaty River Valley project. Answer, the Almaty Dam is constructed near Almaty village in Basavana Bhagyawadi Taluk, and the Narayanapura Dam is located near Iddapura village in Muddebihal Taluk of Vijaypura district. Then second point, Bagalkot, Vijaypura, Kalburgi, Yadgiri and other parts of Belagavi districts benefited from this project. So this is about the Almaty River Valley project. Then the next question, explain the importance and distributions of well irrigation. Answer, the importance and distributions of well irrigation. First point, it is the most important type of irrigation in India. Well irrigation is one of the most important type of irrigation in India. Nearly 60.7% of the total irrigated area is from well irrigation. Then third point, well irrigation is possible even in areas of low rainfall. It is cheap and it is very easy to dig wells, and they do not require superior technology. Then fourth point, it is easy even for small farmers to dig wells, Then fourth point, well irrigation is largely practiced in the Ganga plains, including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. So this is about the importance and distributions of well irrigation. Then the next seventh question, which are the important rivers of North India? Answer, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These are the rivers of North India. The next eighth question, which are the important rivers of South India? Answer, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi. These are the important rivers of South India. Next question, which are the 4 dams built in the Damodar River Valley project? Name the 4 dams in the Damodar River Valley project. Answer, Tilaya, Konar, Maithon and Panchit Hill. So these are the 4 dams built in Damodar River Valley project. Then 10th question, what are the 3 dams built in the Hirakud River Valley project? Answer, Hirakud, Tikarpara and Naraj. Then 11th question, which are the major tributaries of the river Kaveri? The major tributaries of the river Kaveri, answer Kapila, Arakavati, Hemavati, Shimsha, Bhavani, Lakshmana Tirtha and Suvarnavati. So these are the tributaries of river Kaveri. Then next question, which are the major tributaries of the river Krishna? Answer Bhima, Tungabhadra, Koyana, Gataprabha and Malaprabha. These are the major tributaries of river Krishna. The next question, mention the west flowing rivers of India. Answer, the west flowing rivers of India, Narmada, Tapi, Shabramati, Mandovi, Sazuri, Vedati, Shravati, Kali, Netravati and Priyar. So these are the west flowing rivers of India. The next question, which are the major tributaries of the Ganga? Answer, the major tributaries of Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Ramaganga, Gomati, Sharda, Sun and Kosi. These are the major tributaries of Ganga. Then the 15th question, which are the major tributaries of Indus River? Answer, Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi and Sutlej. So these are the major tributaries of river Indus. Then the last question, name the east flowing rivers of India. Very important. The east flowing rivers of India, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri. So these are the east flowing rivers of India. Dear students, these are the 1 marks question answers, 2 marks question answers in the lesson Indian water resources. Dear students, in today's video we have learned 1 marks question answers, 2 marks question answers and 3 marks question answers in the lesson Indian water resources. Okay, my dear students, thank you.